enche bia me video bi by actually how obetumi afa so enya free data bundle ewo MTN at the same time so benya call credit, but it seems any padodo na anya hu sa video and at the same time so ni padodo na anya information be about sa offer we ya MTN for you know nti yen sembre no ma fa mo come phone na men show ade bi e wo ho a eyi se wo hu before sa day we ya den aso. And a video here, many better saw with video na man see. Said the problems we also have in Bianin and me face was our video and make sure how waiting a fast wide, waiting a fast was solving sa issues in and now between your airtime and now data bundle free. So you will be able to MTN at auto credit or that bundle na activities how your number na so na a does one. Me just say sa video ba pa cause NGB number and the sa promo we member star 550 hash star 550 hash e wo MTN so obo so we are which is option 7 no about option 7 so obo option 7 now obo what about 99 that's more no about 99 so obo 99 now obo dikan be check your points obo dikan be check your point balance. That's first one you can check your point balance no or point balance now 256,637 but you nti me 256,000 no say ade ba ko so bia hu say 18th of December and na sadi we be end 18th of December I say we use points and yes our points in the bed or points in the best spy nti 18th of December so when you use points we are points in the best spy nti my member 0 we be 0 that's 0 near tree. This me be use me points in the course mutual video any 16th December into me use number 99 me 99 na number redeem points me redeem points me person me fan to data bundle my data bundle me pay data bundle la be 256,000 into that's me pay monthly one into yen monthly one me pay there e chimbi bre into manya 2.6 gig manya 2.5 gig 2.5 gig near 30 days then 2.5 gig crown within 3 minutes come it means 2.5 gig into the my member che my member back then okay me go for weekly okay weekly ni so in see I mean the kind member monthly na me choose third one no. We know on for sika MTN phone to bundle on for sika bia on deposit bia patchat points now you know and normal your phones no more chop points is our points now the to data no points now the data no it me more me choose one bet me 80,000 it me confirm okay it is na manya 2.5 gig sisi amanya 2.5 gig it me insanya ko bi na makwa pay data we ni biem it ma choose 7 no more me bo more me more redeem points biem me redeem points is me ba airtime me ba 7 no okay bet me 40,000 and me choose 7 no me ba redeem I say unable to process your way but if I can so be a hu say so oba ha say 7 no oba ha say me we number 2.5 gig na basis and me nti menya me 2.5 gig no nti ma member more me ba more okay we number we nti ma me sign try say bia me to airtime na heli say airtime ne be ba me more 7 na bo 1 okay nti me try ma we ne buy no na me process we ne so we ne so the ba nti so obo we na o sign bo bia emma patriata say nti na anything am ka say o hwe video yes so we video na manasi cause we no obi be kwakọ like obi hu sha say no hu code na quick na kwakọ code no on hwe video no manasi nti okọ encounter we ka say video no kra na me ye kwa amma so na one hwe video no me ko airtime me go for airtime me go for 7 option 7 na me mo confirm okay it is my redeem it's 20 cities are 2 na ma redeem sisia no nti 40 cities nti meet me redeem sa nti also coffee points so points in the door so for redeem sa before say if sorry 18th December ne be beso me gidi se video woni beje ho ama de bia ye bia no e be koyenim follow techintwi on Facebook, YouTube, and subscribe to the channel no me the videos be bra me the videos are who here what kind of have ya de bia unim atena wo ye no